Okay, so I know we've got some background noise, but Paul's having to work. He's busy. Oh, there goes the machines off. Okay, go and get your dinner, buddy. Okay, so pair of Barkers. Customer likes the idea of the eyelets being changed from blind eyelets to these sorts of eyelets. What they are, just eyelets. Eyelets, from blind eyelets to eyelets. That's a nice lace for them, but it's not long enough. There's another lace that we've got. We've super glued it up there. Trim that off. So it's got a foodle binder on it. And then up there, up there, up there. So now we've changed the look of the shoe, and we've made a custom size lace, which is great, but customer might struggle when he wants a new one. He'll have to come back to us. Anyway, that's the look of this lovely Barker's. Is it a Nairn, and this? Barker's Nairn. So it was like that, and it is like that. So, is it anything like interesting how we do it? Well, probably not, but seeing as though this is what we do, we put videos out showing what we're doing, and this is a DIY job. We've got to get these eyelets out. So, birthday boy, Paulie, going for his dinner.
Treat.
Leaving me in charge, eh? Treat. Keep your phone switched on. So, squeeze these up. This is all something you can do at home. Squeeze those. You can use, what would be good on these, electrical pliers. So I'll do on this full row. Squeeze those in, squeeze that out. Bum, bum, bum. Take the hole punch. Is that the biggest? Yep, 4.5 mil. Oh, look at that. Just use that to push that out. You got your phone, buddy? Right, okay. So then the eyelets. All these eyelets are available online nowadays. If you can, I don't know if you can see the little indentations on the top, which means that they squeeze out nicer. That on there, that on there, that on there, that on there. And then obviously after this it's on to, come on you bugger, that's it, onto this machine here, and on there, down there. And these machines are, I don't know, 35, 40 quid, and they come with different attachments. We're putting in 5mm eyelets there, and you've got that machine or machines. So you have your different size eyelets, and then you have those there, and then that goes in there, and then that crimps on there, and that isn't anything like as good as that, but it does the job. Sometimes we have to put it like that, put it on the last, and then tap it to get it to just squeeze the last the last few millimeters. Anyway, that's the old machine there. So, to be fair, it's about knackered. That had a good bit of work. We'll pop that back in there because I never tidy up after myself. It's always getting in bother for it. So right, so we'll carry on doing these. That shoe will then look like that, and that's what the customer wanted. And take some pictures of them, and that's the first job, and then I'll move on to the second job. My next job is again more eyelets for a lovely customer, lovely chap, on these pair of blue triggers. And what we've done for the customer is we've put sort of a natural edge on there, a little bit lighter edge, just to give them a little bit of contrast with the boot. Top edge is black, obviously the rubber heel and the through sole, and just tidied those up. Changed his eyelets from black, put him speed hooks on the top, and just changed it around a little bit just to make that boot a little bit more casual for him. So we're just doing exactly what we've just done on the Barker shoe, and that is taking these eyelets out, crunching them up on the inside. If you work on the inside, because I'm sure you can all have a go at this, crunch them up on the inside and then pull them out carefully so we don't mark the outside of the shoe or the boot on the facing, and then put your eyelets in. Your eyelets are always available. 5mm is your standard eyelet on one of these triggers. This machine is fabulous, as I've just shown you. The other little machine is okay, but sometimes you have to just encourage it a little bit. But do you like it? Do you like that boot being made a little bit different? He's had it for quite a while, and he's had it just like that, poking out from under his jeans when he's going out, looking quite smart. And is that going to look a little bit smarter? He's got his jeans on, his shirt, his jacket. He's not on the pull because he's a married man, but he wants to look smart, you know. So that's what we've done for him on the trigger, and I'm going to do this one now and then move on to my next job today.